Well, it's about fucking time. They're actually sawing the fucking branches off the trees out there. Saw the whole fucking trees down, why don't you? I'm not even taking all that shit out what I left from the fucking machete attack. You know, I've only been asking them for 7 years to sort that fucking garden out. Go on, saw the cunt down, man. He's fucking stupid. He's just left his chainsaw still running on the fucking floor. Take his own fucking foot off if he's not careful. Oh, on the 5th of December they're coming to take the asbestos away from up there. That roof's got to come out. And on the 5th of next month I have to vacate the property for a fucking day. Where the fuck am I gonna go? Yeah, well,